Imagine a sudden plumbing failure shutting down your entire building, putting your tenants or customers at risk, or even worse, extended downtime. That's where Pioneer Plumbing and Heating steps in with our commercial plumbing maintenance program, designed specifically to prevent these costly disasters before they happen. Our expert commercial plumbers go beyond just fixing problems. We focus on preventing them. Through scheduled maintenance, regular inspections, and proactive repairs, we keep your plumbing systems running smoothly year-round, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Whether it's a high-rise office building, a busy shopping center, or a multi-unit complex, we tailor our maintenance services to fit your specific needs, ensuring that your plumbing infrastructure operates efficiently and is always code compliant. From keeping your drains clear and your boilers in top shape, to handling emergency plumbing issues when they do arise, Pioneer Plumbing is your trusted partner in reliable plumbing solutions. Don't wait for the next emergency to disrupt your business. Choose peace of mind with a professional plumbing maintenance plan from Pioneer Plumbing and Heating. Visit www.pioneerplumbing.com today to learn more or schedule a consultation. When it comes to your property, prevention is always better than repair.